Welcome to this week's roundup of the top trending GitHub projects. In this video, we'll dive into some of the most innovative and talked about repositories that are capturing the attention of developers worldwide. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge AI tools, efficient web crawlers, or powerful development frameworks, we've got you covered. Let's explore what's making waves in the open source community this week.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right. Let's get into today's video.
Project number 1, Omi, the open source AI wearable that listens, learns, and acts. Imagine a wearable AI that not only records your conversations but also understands, summarizes, and assists you based on context. Omi, developed by Based Hardware, is an open source AI wearable designed to capture and process real-time conversations, transforming them into actionable insights. What sets Omi apart is its seamless integration of hardware and software. Users can build their own device using readily available components like the SEED Studio board, a microphone, and a 3D printed case. Once assembled, Omi connects to a mobile app that handles transcription and processing, allowing for features like live transcription, summarization, and task management. Omi's versatility is further enhanced by its plugin system, enabling integrations with platforms like Notion and Google Calendar. This allows users to automatically store summaries, set reminders, and manage tasks based on their conversations. The device's open-source nature encourages community-driven development, with users contributing plugins and improvements to the platform. Privacy is a core consideration for Omi. Users have control over their data, with options to process information locally and manage what is shared with cloud services. This ensures that sensitive information remains secure while still benefiting from AI-powered assistance. In essence, Omi represents a significant step forward in wearable AI technology, offering a customizable, privacy-conscious, and community-driven solution for real-time conversation analysis and assistance. Project number 2, Agent S, an open agentic framework that uses computers like a human. Imagine an AI agent that doesn't just process data but interacts with your computer's graphical user interface, GUI, just like a human, clicking, typing, and navigating through applications to accomplish tasks. That's precisely what Agent S offers. Developed by Similar AI, Agent S is an open-source framework designed to enable AI agents to autonomously operate computers through GUI interactions, effectively bridging the gap between human-like behavior and machine efficiency. What sets Agent S apart is its experience-augmented hierarchical planning. This approach allows the agent to learn from both external knowledge sources and its own past experiences, enabling it to plan and execute complex, multi-step tasks with adaptability and precision. Unlike traditional automation tools that rely on predefined scripts, Agent S can handle dynamic and non-uniform interfaces, making it versatile across various applications and operating systems. Another unique feature is the Agent Computer Interface, ACI, which facilitates seamless communication between the AI agent and the computer's GUI. This interface empowers the agent to perform actions such as opening applications, filling out forms, and navigating through software environments without human intervention. Agent S has demonstrated impressive performance, achieving state-of-the-art results on benchmarks like OS World and Windows Agent Arena. Its ability to generalize across different platforms and tasks showcases its robustness and adaptability. In essence, Agent S represents a significant leap forward in human-computer interaction, offering a framework where AI agents can autonomously and intelligently manage tasks on a computer, much like a human user would. Project number 3, Rocket.Chat, secure, open-source communication platform for teams. Rocket.Chat is a powerful open-source communication platform that offers organizations complete control over their messaging infrastructure. Unlike proprietary solutions, Rocket.Chat can be self-hosted, allowing for enhanced data privacy and compliance with internal security protocols. One of Rocket.Chat's standout features is its extensive customization capabilities. Through its open-source nature, organizations can tailor the platform to fit their specific needs, integrating with various tools and services to streamline workflows. This flexibility ensures that teams can adapt the platform to their unique operational requirements. Security is at the forefront of Rocket.Chat's design. The platform supports end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, and compliance with various security standards, making it suitable for industries where data protection is paramount. Additionally, its ability to operate in air-gapped environments ensures that sensitive information remains within the organization's infrastructure. Rocket.Chat also excels in facilitating collaboration through features like real-time messaging, voice and video conferencing, and file sharing. Its omni-channel capabilities enable seamless communication with customers across multiple platforms, including email, SMS, and social media, all from a single interface. In summary, Rocket.Chat offers a secure, customizable, and versatile communication solution that empowers organizations to maintain control over their data while enhancing team collaboration. Project number 4, Claude Taskmaster, revolutionizing AI-driven task management for developers. Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just understand your project requirements but actively manages your development tasks with precision. Claude Taskmaster is an AI-powered task management system designed to integrate seamlessly with tools like Cursor, Lovable, Windsurf, and Roo, transforming how developers interact with their projects. What sets Claude Taskmaster apart is its ability to parse product requirement documents, PRDs, and generate structured task lists, enabling AI agents to comprehend and manage complex development workflows. By leveraging the Model Control Protocol, MCP, it facilitates direct communication between AI models and development environments, allowing for real-time task updates, prioritization, and progress tracking. Developers can initialize projects using simple commands, and the system supports both command line interface, CLI, and MCP server modes, offering flexibility in how tasks are managed. With features like task parsing, listing, and generation, Claude Taskmaster empowers AI agents to take on roles traditionally handled by human project managers. In essence, Claude Taskmaster bridges the gap between AI capabilities and practical software development needs, providing a robust framework for autonomous task management. It's a game-changer for developers seeking to harness AI for more efficient and intelligent project workflows. Project number 5, LangWatch, the open LLMOps platform for monitoring and optimization. LangWatch is an open-source LLMOps platform designed to provide comprehensive monitoring, evaluation, and optimization for large language model (LLM) applications. It offers a suite of tools that enable developers and domain experts to collaborate effectively, ensuring AI agents perform reliably and efficiently. One of LangWatch's standout features is its integration with the OpenTelemetry standard, allowing for detailed tracing of LLM pipelines. This observability enables real-time monitoring of AI applications, helping teams identify and address issues promptly. Additionally, LangWatch supports both real-time and offline evaluations, facilitating thorough assessments of LLM performance across various scenarios. The platform's Optimization Studio provides a user-friendly interface for prompt engineering and experimentation. By leveraging DSP optimizers, LangWatch can automatically generate effective prompts and few-shot examples, streamlining the development process. Furthermore, the platform supports versioned experiments, allowing teams to track and compare different configurations to identify the most effective setups. LangWatch also emphasizes collaboration, offering annotation tools that enable domain experts to contribute to the evaluation and improvement of AI models. Its compatibility with various LLM frameworks and providers, such as OpenAI, Azure, and Hugging Face, ensures flexibility and adaptability within diverse tech stacks. In summary, LangWatch stands out as a robust, open-source solution for teams seeking to enhance the reliability and performance of their LLM applications through comprehensive monitoring, evaluation, and optimization tools. Project number 6, ARM 100, the open-source robotic arm bridging AI and robotics. Imagine a robotic arm that's not only affordable and open-source but also designed to integrate seamlessly with AI frameworks. The ARM 100, developed by the Robot Studio in collaboration with Hugging Face, embodies this vision. What sets the ARM 100 apart is its commitment to accessibility and modularity, making advanced robotics attainable for enthusiasts, educators, and researchers alike. At its core, the ARM 100 is a 3D printable robotic arm that supports both DIY assembly and pre-assembled options. Its design emphasizes ease of construction, eliminating the need for gear removal and simplifying wiring, a significant improvement over traditional robotic arm kits. This user-friendly approach lowers the barrier to entry, allowing more individuals to explore robotics without extensive technical backgrounds. Beyond its physical design, the SO-ARM 100 is engineered for integration with the llRobot library, facilitating advanced functionalities such as teleoperation and AI-driven control. Its compatibility with ROS2 and MoveIt2 further enhances its capabilities, enabling sophisticated motion planning and simulation. Moreover, the project's open-source nature encourages community collaboration, fostering an ecosystem where users can contribute improvements and share innovations. In essence, the SO-ARM 100 stands out as a versatile and accessible platform that bridges the gap between AI and robotics. Its unique combination of affordability, modularity, and advanced integration capabilities makes it a compelling choice for anyone interested in exploring the future of intelligent machines. Project number 7, Shippie, Zero-config AI app deployment platform for agents and chatbots. Let's talk about Shippie, a zero-config deployment platform that's revolutionizing how developers launch AI-powered apps and chat agents. What makes Shippie truly unique is how it bridges the gap between building an AI project and actually running it live with zero configuration or DevOps overhead. For developers who've worked with frameworks like LangChain, OpenAI, or Hugging Face, Shippie offers a seamless way to deploy those apps without worrying about infrastructure. Unlike traditional platforms that require complex Docker setups or cloud configurations, Shippie automatically provisions, builds, and hosts your app using nothing more than a link to your GitHub repository. It detects agent scripts, sets environment variables, and wraps everything in an intuitive web UI for public access. No server setup or deployment scripts required. Within minutes, your AI chatbot or assistant can be live on the web, fully interactive, and customizable. What's even cooler is its built-in support for LangGraph, DSB, and other agentic frameworks, meaning your multi-agent workflows, RAG pipelines, and tool-using agents run exactly as they do locally, just on the cloud. Shippie is not only time-saving, but it democratizes access to AI deployment for beginners and solo developers. If you're tired of spending hours setting up servers just to test your agent publicly, Shippie makes shipping your AI project feel as effortless as clicking deploy. It's truly the next step in no-code/low-code agent deployment. Project number 8, Beatsync, high-precision web audio player for multi-device playback and spatial audio. Imagine turning every device in your home into a synchronized speaker system. No extra hardware, no apps, just your browser. Beatsync makes this possible by offering millisecond accurate audio synchronization across multiple devices. Whether it's your laptop, phone, or tablet, Beatsync ensures that audio playback is perfectly aligned, creating a seamless surround sound experience. What sets Beatsync apart is its innovative use of Network Time Protocol, NTP, inspired synchronization over WebSockets, combined with the Web Audio API. This approach allows for precise timing control, ensuring that all connected devices play audio in perfect harmony. Additionally, Beatsync introduces a virtual spatial audio feature, where you can position devices on a grid to simulate directional sound, adjusting volumes based on their virtual location. Beatsync is entirely browser-based and cross-platform, requiring no installations or specialized equipment. Its polished interface provides smooth loading states and intuitive controls, making it accessible to users of all technical levels. For those interested in customization, Beatsync is open source and self-hostable, allowing you to run your own instance with minimal setup. Whether you're hosting a party, setting up a home theater, or just exploring innovative audio solutions, Beatsync offers a unique and accessible way to achieve synchronized, high-quality sound across all your devices. Project number 9, LLM PDF, running a large language model inside a PDF file. Imagine opening a PDF file and finding not just text and images, but an entire AI model ready to interact with you. That's the groundbreaking concept behind llm.pdf, a proof-of-concept project by Evan Zhou that demonstrates the possibility of running a complete large language model, LLM, within a PDF document. What sets llm.pdf apart is its innovative use of existing technologies to embed and execute AI models in a universally accessible format. By compiling the LLM using mscripton into asm.js and embedding it within the PDF through base64 encoding, the project enables LLM inference to occur directly inside the PDF without the need for external applications or internet connectivity. This approach transforms the static nature of PDFs into interactive experiences, allowing users to engage with AI models for tasks like text generation or question answering, all within the familiar environment of a PDF reader. It's a significant step towards making AI more accessible and portable, especially in scenarios where traditional applications are impractical. While still in the experimental stage, llm.pdf opens up exciting possibilities for the future of document interaction and AI deployment, showcasing the potential of integrating complex models into everyday file formats. Project number 10: EasyControl, enhancing diffusion transformers with flexible control. Imagine transforming your AI-generated images with precise control over styles and features, all without compromising efficiency. EasyControl, developed by Xiaojiuzi, introduces a groundbreaking framework that integrates seamlessly with diffusion transformers, DITs, offering unparalleled control and adaptability in image generation. What sets EasyControl apart is its innovative approach to conditioning in diffusion models. By incorporating a lightweight condition injection LoRa module, it allows for plug-and-play functionality, enabling users to apply various stylistic and structural conditions without retraining the entire model. This flexibility is further enhanced by a position-aware training paradigm, which normalizes input conditions to fixed resolutions, supporting diverse aspect ratios and resolutions during generation. Additionally, the integration of causal attention mechanisms with KV cache technology significantly reduces inference latency, making the generation process more efficient. EasyControl's compatibility with multiple control types, including canny edges, depth maps, and semantic segmentation, empowers users to fine-tune outputs with precision. Notably, its Ghibli-style control model, trained on a unique dataset of real faces paired with GPT-4o generated counterparts, enables the creation of anime-style portraits that retain individual facial features. For developers and artists seeking a versatile and efficient tool for controlled image generation, EasyControl offers a robust solution that bridges the gap between flexibility and performance in diffusion models. That wraps up our look at the top trending GitHub projects for this week. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly updates on the latest in open source development. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue to highlight the most exciting projects in the tech world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.